Today, I'm going to share with you rolling technique. This is a very high dense rubber ball, like a lacrosse ball, or you can use a dog ball. I get these all over. I find them and it's great. It's a great tool to keep in your bag and take with you because it's small. It's easy to take with you traveling places. And I'm going to show you in this video series how to use this ball and roll out different parts of your body. You're going to thank me and you're going to love it. For tight muscles on the bottom of the foot, roll back and forth slowly and lightly. Remember, less is best when you're rolling and working with muscles. For the calf muscle, you can roll it back and forth gently and slowly, and for added pressure, add your opposite leg. The tibialis anterior is located in the side slightly anterior. You can roll this out for shin splints, addressing trigger points with a very mild pressure. Light is the best. Remember, when you're rolling, to stay between the scapula and spine. You may also add in a little stretch by reaching across your chest. Releasing the pectoralis major is as easy as pinning some of the muscle toward your sternum and then reaching around away from the sternum. This next stretch also offers great relief by pushing a little bit down toward your sternum and looking away and back. Sinking in just lateral to the tailbone, you're going to address some of the rotators of the hip, like your piriformis and glute medius posterior. In the lateral space on the side of your hip, you can also apply a little bit of pressure to relieve any kind of pain in the hip.